The story of UAE Sports is the story of the UAE itself. Since the humble beginnings, when Abu Dhabi was a simple town and adult sports were limited to the traditional horse riding, falconry and hunting, while children's sports, including simple physical games like karabi and khubz-o-gag. However, Abu Dhabi was destined to embrace its new dawn with a historic leadership, as every aspect of life started to change rapidly. And as the late founding father, Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan, considered the human element the ultimate purpose of any advancement.
الرجال هي اللي تصنع سعادته، الرجال هي اللي تصنع حياته، الرجال اللي هي تصنع حاضرها ومستقبلها.
Abu Dhabi opened its arms and heart to the various sports all over the world. Modern facilities were built, experts and coaches were hired, colleges were opened, and young Emiratis were encouraged to prove their talents. Within just a couple of decades, the infrastructure was set for a great boom in sports, and results started to show. Sport clubs and state-of-the-art facilities mushroomed across the country. Dozens of football stadiums, tennis courts, golf links, racetracks, training centres, and evening free-zone sports cities started to entertain thousands and thousands of local and international champions in every single sport. Gradually, the country started to develop a global reputation for its thriving sports sector. And beside local competitions, regional and international bodies started to find it very convenient to organise their contest in Abu Dhabi and the UAE in general. Throughout the years, the leading vision, the unwavering commitment, and pure hard work make it only natural for Abu Dhabi to rise to the vision set by Abu Dhabi Sports Council. Abu Dhabi, an international capital for sport practicing, competitiveness, and international events. Nirvana Travel and Tourism, the meaning of true care.